Hello my friends, how's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world? So the heat's coming to the east. We'll get into it. So the heat wave has finally made it to the East Coast. And yes, we have a heat wave. Not too long ago, Chopper Fett put out a video about, is it too hot to ride? And in my opinion, it's not. Because I commented back to him and I said, look, the alternative to it being 95 with a heat index of 100 or whatnot, the alternative to that is 20 degrees and 6 inches of snow on the ground. So that being said, I will take this heat any day of the week, any day, because you know what, in 20 degree weather and 6 inches of snow, rev bomb, gotta love that. I'm not riding my motorcycle, you know. I guess I'm just not hardcore. But anyway, to my left, this is my left, you will see, this is the King of Prussia Mall. This right here is the largest mall on the East Coast. So anyway, yeah, so I will be riding in the heat. And while, as I said many times, I am a truck driver, the time I spend sitting in the truck is in the air conditioning, but that's not my whole job. So for the 4 or 5 hours a night that I am not, oh come on dude, really? The 4 or 5 hours a night that I am not in my truck, I am sweating my ass off. And it's good because I got a fat ass, so I could sweat some of it off. Alright, right up here is the iFly indoor skydiving. I hear it's kind of pricey. I've wanted to try it, but I hear it's kind of pricey. So anyway, I digress. So I do sweat my ass off, and right about now I'm still a little moist in all areas of my body because I wasn't sitting in my truck the whole time. I was sweating. Let me close them up, see if it's better. Hopefully this audio is good. So yeah, it's in my opinion, it's not too hot to ride. So let me just put this into perspective for you. It is now July 22nd. I'm recording this video on July 22nd. The last time I put gasoline in my... Oh shit, the fucking road's graded. Motherfucker. Should have never came this way. But I did, so I'm screwed. So I'm gonna just have to deal with the graded road. So the last time I put gas in my other vehicle, my four-wheel vehicle, was, check this shit out, June 23rd. So it's been almost a month since I put gas in my Durango. Crazy, insane. That's like, I was like shocked when I actually looked at the card to see when the last time I put it in was. June 23rd. And I didn't even fill it up then. I only put like 65 hours in of the cheap shit, but it gave me 3/4 of a tank, and now I'm down to a little bit less than 1/4 of a tank. And if you know me, I'm not going to fill it up or put more gas in it until the fucking little yellow light comes on, telling me I need gas. Yeah, graded roads suck, especially when you're on a motorcycle. So, yeah, like, so me riding to work all this time instead of driving the car, and we didn't have this heat in the last month. Hasn't been this bad. This is the worst it's been. But me riding the bike every day, or as many days as I can, it's been good for me, you know. So I commute back and forth to work as much as I can on this bad boy, just because it's cheaper. I enjoy it more, and you know, just sitting on this thing eases my my bad days, makes me a little happier, takes a little bit of stress out of my life, just because I love to ride. And that was almost a Code Gray challenge. I was sitting at a traffic light and I was vlogging. I was motor vlogging at a traffic light. And that what part of Code Gray's challenge was. I don't have any traffic, but I was sitting at a light and I was motor vlogging. And I was still talking, and this road is still shit. So if you missed it, that was Valley Forks, you know. Yeah, it's not too far from my house. But anyway, for those for my fellow Flyers fans, at that casino back there one night, I met Mr. motherfucking Bernie Perrant, #1 of the Flyers. He was always going to be our #1. Winner of 2 Stanley Cups. Yep, the man, the myth, Mr. Bernie motherfucking Perrant. So I have a picture with him somewhere. So he signed my puck. He gave me a puck and signed it. So that was my little story. Hope you liked it. But anyway, I am going to keep riding the heat because it's still supposed to be in the fucking 90s for the next at least 7 days that I saw. So I'm gonna enjoy the ride. I'm going to keep on riding, and hopefully I can go another week or 2 without getting gas. So I'm going to end this one there, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, so sorry for you. Anyway, it's been real, guys. Stay safe, love one another. Peace.